Body.
210 Petrol, copy 98. 622, Quebec.
Where you at?
He fell off the back seat underneath the front, so I don't think he can get out. Sounds like a baby, isn't it?
He's real small. He's like, I want to say maybe 6 to 9 months old.
182 to Sergeant 73. He appears to be in distress.
Unit 73. 73.
Hey, Sarge, it's 182. This it's a puppy, and I can't see it, but it's crying. It appears to be in distress. Yeah. 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 I can't.
34, go ahead and get it. Are you at Milk?
Negative. I'm in front of the food court right now. Come here. Come here. Come here, little guy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Puppy, all right.
12, I'm sitting on you.
Y'all got any water?
I do. It's not really cold because I've had it a little while.
182 to Pensacola.
My hand's got hand cream.
Yeah, 182. Oh, Monique Richardson can find nothing. Go ahead.
Put a note I had to make entry into the passenger front window.
Oh, he's so thirsty. Yeah. Oh, look at him. He knows
Go
what
there.
Yeah. Oh,
Let me.
baby.
You don't mind holding him? Let me grab Let me grab something real quick and get him some water. Where's he at?
Oh, good. Yeah. You got some cool water?
That's hot.
Oh, okay. We'll pour that out. This is not ice cold, but it's cool.
Good.
It's just cool.
Let's get him in the shade or get him in my car.
Yeah.
Come on. Stay down. I will put you right here for right now. Right there. Get this AC. Yeah. I have two small dogs at home. These little guys, it's just.
It's pretty sad. It's been at least 20-30 minutes since we got here, and then now it's almost an hour or so, and they still haven't came back.
Yeah, it was
that dog would have been dead by then.
Yeah, well, we got the call at 12:55.
Yeah.
And you know, so.
This little puppy would have probably been dead if they didn't.
Yeah.
And I got it at 1:17.
Yeah, so it's
It's after 1:30 now.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
Yeah.
Sir, can you come over here for a second, please, so we can finish all this? I can't hear you.
Last broke, y'all just took the dog. Y'all gonna say it's cool to the animals to have the dog in the vehicle at that point in time, but we finna leave and go back home. You know what I'm saying? We just ran here.
I get what you're saying.
We got food in the car right now that we don't even want to spoil.
I understand that, but also it's been an hour and 15 minutes now that y'all have been in there, at least since we've been here. So that dog would have been in there in 94 plus degree temperatures for an hour and 15 minutes.
So what's gonna have to happen basically?
Well, if you give me a second, let me write all this information down. I'll tell you everything.
I just
Okay?
see you nervous, you shaking. That's what I'm talking
Buddy,
about.
I'm not nervous. I've been out here in 100-degree weather for over an hour.
So you just need to get your information.
Here you go, bud.
Forward it to them, basically.
Yeah, no, the only reason why I'm shaking is because I've been standing out in this 90-degree weather with full polyester. Basically, what happened, guys, is I came up. Unfortunately, the dog was in distress, and I couldn't get in your vehicle.
Yeah.
We couldn't make contact with you guys. So, per Florida law, we're actually allowed to break the window, and that's what we did. So, we broke the window to get the dog. So, if y'all have any questions about that, I can give y'all a case number where you can reference the whole report. I can get that in just a second if you want to, and then you can go from there. Okay?
So you got the number for
Animal control. I'm gonna give them y'all's information, and they'll give y'all a call.
but the thing is, they're not open on the weekend for the public, so the number that we can give you, they're not going to answer when we're getting it. So we're going to try to get in contact with them.
That's
He should.
$3 grand dog, man.
He should. Hold on, man. I'm trying to tell you what the thing is. He should try to get a hold of you here very recently. It's just we don't have any way of contacting them until we leave a message with them. Then they'll be able to get back.
Yeah.
So if you're going to be in town for at least another hour or so, I'm sure he'll call you within that time is what I'm getting at. So and then we can at least figure out what's going to happen. So you want to give that real quick, I guess?